Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know, we'll get down and get straight to the point. I'm working on a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Need to do a complete factory reset of all modules in the vehicle. People say, oh, just disconnect the battery and let it sit for a couple hours. You do not have to do that in any shape, form, or way. If you want your car to run back the way the factory specs were, unless your throttle position sensor needs to be reprogrammed, all you have to do is take off your positive, your negative, and touch them. I worked on computers before, and one of the things we like to do is discharge all the power in the capacitors. We'll unplug the computer and then we press the power button. It comes on for a couple seconds. This is almost the same principle. Take positive off, take negative off. Pull them together, let them touch. If you can't let them touch, get your alligator clip, but make sure they're not touching the battery and have them to touch themselves. Go to the headlights, turn them on a couple times, on and off, and that will discharge all of your motherboard, everything that's in the ECU, PCM, and everything else you got going on, including your TIPM. You don't have to sit there and wait for a couple hours. You can do it in less than 3 minutes by doing it my way. If you want to sit there and wait for a couple hours, you can do that too with the battery terminal disconnected. But if you don't have a couple hours and you need to get down to the nitty-gritty, take negative, take positive off completely, touch them together. These two touch each other because they can come around. If not, take it off, take that one off, get yourself an alligator clip, clip it here, clip it there, turn on your lights on and off a couple times, and now you discharge the whole entire vehicle's power and all memory, and now we'll go back to factory reset. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do differently. I'm here to show you what you can do the quickest, the fastest, and the most cost-effective manner. I'm on your side, customers. Thank you for being wonderful viewers and subscribers. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that like button. Thank you very much.